despair. A few are the flowers to stop and smell. Exasperation lingers in the air. Well, it must be something in the water, my darling. I'm waking on the wrong side of the bed. I long for existence and tune with the others. I turn to hatred with them. Come go surrender to